Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you a Block Blast glitch for 2025 for Android. You can get crazy high score with this. So if you want to break records in Block Blast, today I will show you a working glitch for Android that helps you score insanely high with unlimited combos. Now, this glitch auto clears lines without placing blocks, stack infinite combos for extra points and manipulate block placement to avoid losing points. Now, how to activate the glitch? Follow these exact steps to trigger the glitch. Fill up your board almost completely. So first of all, fill up your board almost completely, leaving one open row. Now, exit the game immediately and close the app completely. Now, reopen Block Blast and you will notice a bug where the blocks are misplaced or cleared automatically. Now, you'll have to simply place any block in a full row and watch the game clear extra lines for free. Now, the best way to use this glitch is to maximize your advantage and use this glitch like this. First of all, trigger the glitch when close to a high score to boost points, and you can use it to clear bad placements and avoid losing. You can repeat these steps whenever needed, and this still works in 2025. And that's how you do the Block Blast Super Glitch in 2025. Try it out before it gets patched. And let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more game breaking tricks. See you in the next one.